Hello, welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Vivek, and today I'll be helping you with an introduction of SMS notifications. With OnceHub, you can send SMS notifications to your client or prospect, as well as a team member with whom the meeting is being scheduled with. With OnceHub, you can send out notifications globally to most countries and regions, and there is no custom pricing based on which country you're sending the SMS notification to. As SMS notifications provide an additional method of delivery, it ensures that even if your email is labeled as spam or if it's not delivered, your messages are always delivered. As we also use a secured shortcode to send out our SMS notifications, this ensures that the text message is never labeled as spam. With OnceHub, you need to purchase SMS credits to be able to send out SMS notifications. SMS credits are purchased separately and are not included in your billing plan. To purchase SMS credits, you can click on the gear icon at the top right corner, click on billing, and this will allow you to purchase more credits. With OnceHub, you require one SMS credit for each text message that is of 160 characters or less. So if you have a longer text message, it can still be sent through OnceHub, but it may use up more SMS credits. I hope this information was helpful to you. In case you have any queries regarding SMS notifications or anything else, you can always reach out to us at support@oncehub.com. I hope you have a good day and take care.